We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for studying. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. You'll want to make sure you have an account, so if you don't, take a moment to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll see the chat interface. To start using ChatGPT for studying, think of it as your virtual study buddy. Let's say you're studying a specific topic, like biology. You can type something like, "Explain the process of photosynthesis," into the chat. ChatGPT will provide you with a detailed explanation. If you need more clarification, you can ask follow-up questions like, "Can you simplify that?" Or, "What are the main stages?" This helps you understand better. Another great way to use ChatGPT is for quizzing yourself. You can ask it to create practice questions for you. Simply type, "Give me practice questions on photosynthesis," and it will generate questions to test your knowledge. You can even request multiple choice questions, if that's what you prefer. If you're working on a project or need help with research, you can ask ChatGPT to help outline or summarize articles. Just paste the content and ask for a summary or key points. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool to complement your studies, so make sure to verify information from reliable sources too. You can also use it to explain difficult concepts or get study tips by typing your inquiry directly. With consistent use, ChatGPT can enhance your learning process, making studying more interactive and productive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.